Alright, well, get your door panel tool out. We're changing the interior door panel, or the interior door handle on the 99 Suburban. So you basically got a panel like that. 2 screws are right there on that handle, and then that bezel right there comes off. So once you get that far, you got your 2 screws right there, and then you have the switches, and they just pop up. And then you have these clips, those white plastic pins. And you can see, like, I think there may have been another one right there, but it was broken off. Alright, so your door handle will be right there. So once you get it off, you're going to be looking at a door panel like this. And here's all the wiring for the switches. This is the switch. You got the 1 speaker. This switch shouldn't have came out. You can see this tab's broken. So it's kind of still right there. It's for the window lock, I think. And then we got this. There's the handle. Now, for whatever reason, it didn't seem to be working. If I pulled on it real hard and pushed on the door, I could get it to open, but it just didn't seem to be working right. So we're going to try this Dorman part. Like I say, it's a 77187. So out, left, we'll put this in, and pretty much just disconnect these rods, the lock and the latch, and then put it all back together. We'll see if it works.